Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to tell you about 3 side gigs that you can do when you want to make a little extra money, and they require minimal effort, right? They are lazy gigs. You can do them from your bed, your car, your couch, or the bathroom, who knows. So anyway, let's get into it. The first website we're looking at is cloudworkers.company. And they are hiring cloud workers or chat operators. They were founded in 2015 in one of the largest, most successful and thriving chat moderation companies operating worldwide. Now let's scroll down. Whether you wish to work from home or from the other side of the globe, you choose when and where and how you want to work. All that is required is a computer, a stable internet connection, and competent language skills. They guarantee regular income, long-term employment, and opportunities for professional growth and advancement. The job description. Our chat moderators are engaged in text-based online chats in one or more online social community platforms. Their objective is to animate those communities, stimulate conversations, and thereby cultivate long-lasting relationships. Chat moderators working with cloud workers are provided with flexible, exciting, and uncomplicated opportunities to utilize their language skills and earn reliable monthly income as an independent freelance moderator with positions available either on a part-time or full-time basis. Let's scroll down. What we expect from you: your own PC or laptop with a stable internet connection, the possibility to work as a freelancer, openness to adult dialogues, which you can expect from us: fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis, flexible and independent planning of working hours, and long-term mutually beneficial working relationships. Apply as a chat moderator now. So you'll fill in the information that's being requested and then submit your application. They have Q&A section, and if you see a question down here, you click on it and see if your question has already been answered. Now, they don't have the pay listed on this website. However, I did some digging, and the pay rate is between $18 and $24 an hour. The second website we're looking at is remotelyforyou.com. Become a chat operator and work from anywhere. So it's expat friendly. Do you like to write, and are you self-employed? Then you are a person we're looking for. Apply for a job as a moderator for online fantasy networks. So you will click there to apply. Let's scroll down a little to find out a little more. Start the application process here. They basically ask you for common information. Get started in 3 simple steps. Easy application. The first part of the application is only asking you for your name and email. We will send you more information about the process once we have confirmed your email. ID verification. You must be over 18 years of age to be accepted. And online training. They provide training for you, so they don't just throw you out there. That's a good thing. What will you be chatting about? We help thousands of lonely Americans every day to have a more meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. So it's a fantasy network, as I mentioned before. You can click to apply. Let's scroll down. As a chat agent, you will be 100% anonymous. Text only, no video, no voice. Work independently and with full flexibility. Earn more depending on how often you work. Help those who need someone to talk to. Now, the salary. I scrolled through here. Basically, the salary depends on how many hours you work. But for the most part, chat operators can make between $100 to $300 weekly, and their top agents make more than $3,000 a month. And click there to apply. And the third website is textchattingjob.com. Become a texting moderator today. Join our team. It's an opportunity to become a chat operator and potentially earn an average of $400 per week, and it's within easy reach. The application process is quick and straightforward, and we have a constant need for chat operators on our team. Now let's scroll down. No experience needed. Easiest way to earn from anywhere, anytime. So it's expat friendly. We're looking for adaptable remote workers to respond to text messages on our chat platforms any time of the day or night. Earn between 18 cents to 22 cents for each message answered. You work as a freelancer and get to choose whether to work part-time or full-time. Start earning now. The requirements: open-minded nature and creativity, good grammar and fluent English, minimum of 125 messages in a week must be sent, weekly payment to bank, Wise, or PayPal account. You will be responsible for your own taxes. You must be 21 years of age or older. And they have a Q&A section down here, and you'll scroll down to the bottom, enter this information, and submit. And that's pretty much it.